Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to fix unable to access your Snapchat camera. Maybe you have a situation that you're facing this kind of problem as appears on screen. You can see unable to access camera. We should not access your camera. Please remove any restrictions on the camera to use Snapchat. Go to your settings, tap at journal, tap at restriction and tap at camera. So basically there are three ways to fix this problem. The first thing is to do as the same appears on the screen. You can see to fixing this problem, tap at OK. Now go back, tap at your settings, scroll it up, tap at journal. Appears on screen. You can see there is no any restriction option is available at here. So if you don't find restriction option at here, then go back. Number 2 is go to your app store and in the search bar type here Snapchat and make sure your Snapchat is fully updated or not. If it is required the update, please update it first, because sometimes the bugs are appears at the applications and it's not working very well. So as appears on screen, you can see my Snapchat is required update, so I'm going to update it. After updating your Snapchat, then try to open it again. As appears on screen, you can see the situation is still same, unable to access camera. Tap it OK. The third one is again open your settings, scroll it up, tap at screen time, scroll it up until you see the option content and privacy restrictions. Just tap on it. Appears on screen, you can see many options. Tap at allowed apps. Appears on screen, you can see camera option. Just toggle this on. Now go back, now try to open your Snapchat again. Appears on screen, you can see my camera is working now. Like this, you can easily fix this problem at your devices. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please share it to your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you have any other question, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.